Alright guys, so we are out in the woods and we are about to go on a little hiking adventure with the puppies. This is their first time hiking, so it's not going to be a super long adventure because it's all uphill, like scaling a mountain. But as you guys can see, I have my new hiking backpack on me. This is by the brand Cat Mountain. It has this really cool water system, has a pocket right here for my phone, for my camera. So we are going to try this out. I got this for when we go hiking with the dogs. It's something that we want to start doing now that the heat wave's over. And let's climb the mountain, and then I'll sort of show you guys this new backpack because I'm super stoked on it. America. Yeah. America. Better opportunity. I got this backpack from Amazon. It's by the brand Cat Mountain. I paid about $35, $36 for it and I have been loving it. It's super comfortable. It has a breathable mesh back. It's super cushioned. It also includes a reflective stripe and it also has a bicycle helmet net as well. Another one of my favorite features is the cell phone pocket. It sits right on the strap. It also comes with a large 2-liter/70-ounce water bladder. It comes with a drinking pipe and this feeds through the backpack itself and you can actually attach it to the shoulder strap. It has a little clip. Another one of my favorite features is it has a survival buckle. So this is a double buckle / whistle. It's like a 2-in-1 use, which is really cool. Also, if you guys ever hike in the rain or rainy climates, it's actually water resistant as well. So it makes sure that everything in the backpack stays dry. All right guys, so we just got done with the trail. We went about halfway and then we turned around because Tiki's a polar on the leash and I didn't want him to drag me down the mountain. And it started getting hot the higher we went up there. But this was the dog's first time going on a hike. So we wanted to start out easy, and plus we forgot their water bowl in the car. So that was another reason for the short hike. But it was super fun. Handy dandy backpack. This thing did me well. It was so lightweight. I didn't even know that I had anything on my back. And this water system right here worked perfect. But now we're gonna go grab some lunch because I'm hungry.